A lot of people ask us what is self-healing. We say that our films are self-healing. What that means is superficial scratches that you would usually get scratched into your paint will come out with heat. Now that could be the sun, it could just be ambient temperature. Today we're going to demonstrate with a hairdryer, but if you come up to a car's paint, even with your fingers, you know, you can scratch it, right? But so for purposes here, I'm going to use my fingernails, right? So say you got somebody's leaning up against your car, you got all those fingernail scratches. So those will actually come out of clear bra, and they could come in from fingernails, they could come in from maybe a dirty rag that's rubbing too hard on them. But we're gonna put some heat onto them, and you're gonna see, I don't know if you can see that, but you're gonna see how they're gonna come out of the top coat of the clear bra pretty well. And of course, over time, more heat and everything will make it look even better.